So I'm at an antique store in a town near us, and I found this old stove. What I need to know is, does anybody know if this can be rewired to be made into a regular stove? You know what I mean? So like if I hooked it up and actually used it, does anybody know if this could be made into a regular stove? If it is, that would be so stinking cool. I would absolutely love it. So let me know, guys, if you think this could be made. Somebody's got to know. There's got to be an electrician or somebody. I don't know. I don't even know what kind of person would fix this for me. So tell me what kind of person I would try to find. Tell me if your hubby or you are really good at fixing things. If you know if it could be fixed, let me know in the comments below. And please, and visit us at livingonadime.com. Bye.